Hello students, this is Professor here and I'm back with you another video class, and today we are going to start with exercise 2G page number 50. Okay, so the question is solve the following word problems. So here we have a total of 9 word problems. Okay, and we don't know what to do in those problems. Like it is mixed. Okay, in some case you have to subtract, in some case you have to add, in some case you have to multiply, or in some case you have to divide. Okay, and you have to learn the question properly. Okay, and then you have to decide what you are gonna do. Okay, so let us start with number 1. Okay, and the question says Mr. Gupta bought a plot of land for rupees 1,54,850. Okay, so he bought a plot where he is going to build a house. Okay, so the cost of the land is so cost of a plot is how much? Rupees 1,54,850. right? He built a house on it for rupees 5,53,980. So now what he did is he built a house on that plot. Okay, so the cost for the house is, so money spent on building a house is given as rupees 5,53,980, right? And again what he did was, after he built a house, he needs some furniture to decorate the house, right? Like sofas, beds, isn't it, and so on. Okay, almirah and so on. So what he did was he bought the furnitures. Okay, and the cost of the furniture was like table, chairs. Okay, furniture was rupees 80,900. Okay, so you have to find the total cost. Total cost means after how much money he spent in all, like right from the beginning, that is right from the beginning where he bought a plot. After that he made a house, and then he spent the money on the furnitures. Okay, so total how much money he spent. So how you gonna find it? You have to add all this, right? So when you add, what you will get? 0, 3, 1, 19 and 27, 2 and 9. I hope you know how to add, right? And it will be 18, 1, 7. So it is how much? So total he spent 7,89,730. Okay, so therefore he spent rupees 7,89,730 in all. Okay, so this is how you will do. So here what we did, we added. Okay, so next in the next sum, okay, in question number 2, what is the difference between the greatest 7-digit number? First, greatest 7-digit number. You know what is the greatest 7-digit number? It is how much? 999. You have to put 7 nines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nines, isn't it? Because greatest, whenever we are asking about the greatest 5-digit number, it will be 5 nines. Okay, if you are talking about greatest, then you will simply put 9999. Okay, if I am asking about greatest 6-digit number, then it will be 6 nines. Okay, if I ask about greatest 2-digit number, it will be 99, and so on. Okay, and the smallest 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number. So smallest 6-digit number is, when we are talking about smallest, then first you will write 1 and rest all you will put zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, if I ask you about the smallest 3-digit number, then first you will write 1 and then remaining 2-digit will be 0 followed by the zeros, right? So in that way. So what you have to do now, you have to find the difference between them. So difference means subtraction. Okay, that means you have to subtract this from this. Now, so when we subtract, what we will get? 9, 9, 9. So total of how many 9? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, isn't it? So you'll subtract 1 2 3 4 5 0 1. So 1 2 3 0 and 1. So this one you have to subtract, isn't it? So what will you get? 9 minus 0, 9. 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 9 minus 1, 8. And 9 minus, this is, if there is nothing, then it is 0. So 9 will come down, isn't it? So it is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 98 lakh, 99,999. Okay. So therefore, the difference is how much? 98 lakhs 99,999. Okay. So this is how we will do. Okay. So similarly, you can do number 3 and number 4 as your homework. Okay. So I'll start with number 5. Okay. So if I start with number 5, the question says, if a factory produces 10,305 bulbs in a day. So in one day, okay, so bulbs produced in one day. So if in one day, total bulbs produced is how much? 10,305 bulbs. How many bulbs will it produce in the month of May? Okay, so do you know how many days are there in the month of May? So number of days in a month of May is how much? Let us write. How much? How many days? 31 days. Okay. So you have to find the total number of bulbs produced in a month of May. So in one day, number of bulbs is 10,305. So in 31 days, how many bulbs will be produced? So what we have to do? We have to multiply, isn't it? So I will multiply 10,305 into 31. Okay, so let us multiply. So let us first do with 1. 1 5 is 5. 1 0 is 0. 1 3 is 3. 1 0 is 0. 1 1 is 1. So it will remain same. So next with 3. So before starting with 3, what we will do? We will cross here at one step, right? Next 3 5 is 15. 1 3 0 is 0 plus 1, isn't it? 3 3 is 9. 3 0 is 0. 3 1 is 3, isn't it? So it will be how much? 5, but this is 0, so 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 0, 1 and 3. So total of how many? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So 3,99,455. So therefore, total bulbs produced in a month of May is equal to how much? 3,19,455. Okay. Okay. So next we'll move to question number 6, and question number 6 is, Sonia reads 195 pages every day except on Sundays. So she doesn't study on Sunday. Okay. Others remaining 6 days she studies at the rate of 195 pages every day, means in one day she studies 195 pages. Like in Monday she studies 195 pages, on Tuesday also she studies 195 pages, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but she does not study on Sunday at all. Okay. So in 1 week, for how many days does she studies? She studies for 6 days, because Sunday she doesn't study. Okay. So how many pages does she read in 9 weeks? So in 9 weeks, how many pages does she reads? Okay. So first, number of pages Sonia studies in one day is how much? 195 pages, right? So she studies for 9 weeks, but except on Sunday. So number of days is how much? For 9 weeks, and in 1 week, for how many days? 6 days, right? Because Sunday she does not study. So total for 54 days she is studying. So number of days she is studying is 54. So in one day, if she is studying 195 pages, so how many pages will she study in 54 days? Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to multiply, right? So 54. So started to multiply. 4 5 are 20. So 0 2. 4 9 are 36 and 2 38 3 and 4 1 4 plus 3 7. So next like this, 5 5 are 25 2. 5 9 are 45 plus 2 47, then 4. 5 1 are 5 plus 4 9, right? So 0 8 plus 5 13, carry over 1, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, carry over 1, and 1 plus 9 10. So total how many? Therefore in 6 weeks, right? Sorry, in 9 weeks, right? 9 weeks she studies how many pages? 10,530 pages. So this is how you will do. So in this case also we did multiplication. So you have to decide what we are going to do, okay, depending upon the question. Okay, what the question is asking, depending on that you have to choose whether you have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Okay, so in such in a similar way you can also do, apart from 3 and 4, you can also do 7 8 and 9. Okay, because there are 9 questions, out of those 4 I have done, so remaining 5 is your homework. Okay, so now next, in the next class, I think we will start with the new chapter, and the new chapter is factors and multiples. Okay.